All right, guys, so we're about to call the winner of this overkill giveaway called Project Nameless. We're going to let him actually pick within the comments to name this thing, so we'll get a name, don't you worry. But let's go ahead and give him a call. We're going to FaceTime him. Yo, what's going on, Sergio?
Nothing much.
Dude, congratulations on winning this beautiful overkill PC.
Thank you.
What do you think about that color that's in there?
It's very nice. It'll go well with my room.
Heck yeah, it will. So, you have a PC right now, or what are you gaming on?
I'm gaming on a PS4 right now.
Okay, so now you're transitioning to a bad to the bone gaming PC setup. Dude, I bet you're stoked.
Yeah. My friends have been trying to convince me to buy one.
Dude,
Saving up.
that is, well, no need to save up. I guess now you can just get some cool stuff to put with it. Maybe some lighting, a desk.
Yeah, a big upgrade from a PS4.
Heck yeah.
It's only 500 gigabytes.
Dude, it's gonna be like night and day gaming on this thing, dude. The graphics and just the frames you're gonna be able to get, the monitor's gonna look really, really nice. Gonna feel a world different. What kind of games are you gonna play on this thing?
Probably Apex and like Call of Duty.
Heck
As well
yeah.
as Splitgate. Splitgate has been pretty fun lately.
You gonna do like Warzone?
Yeah, Warzone for sure.
Well, that's awesome, dude. That's super cool. Let's see. What kind of liquid color are you gonna choose for this? I mean, it's got orange in it now. What do you think you'd like?
I think blue would go well.
You're right. Like a dark blue, a light blue?
I like blue.
Light blue.
Looking nice.
Okay, let me see. Like, do you like metallics or do you like the clear colors?
Metallics.
Metallics. So we have like super light blue, and then we have like more like this blue. Which one do you like out of those?
The left one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Well, I'll put that to the side. And another thing too is on the YouTube video we have like 24,000 comments of people trying to name this PC, and we put it as Project Nameless because we couldn't. One, we wanted to have other people come up with names, but two, we wanted the person who wins the PC to pick what the name should be. So I'm not going to change the YouTube video's title of the name of the PC until you come up with it. But when we get off, why don't you sort through some of the comments, get some ideas, and then shoot me a text on what the name of the PC needs to be, and I'll update the YouTube video.
Yeah, sure, of course.
That'll be awesome. Well, cool, man. Where are you at in the world?
I'm in California right now, in the Bay Area.
Nice, man. I was stationed in California for a period of time in 29 Palms when I was in the Marines. And love it out in California. A lot of fun driving roads, beautiful places, good food, lots to do. Do you ever go like to the dune buggy places or out to Big Bear?
No, not really.
You never been to Big Bear before?
No, never.
Oh, dude, you got to get out there.
Yeah.
So, other than that, you're probably not 18. I mean, you could be. No, you're not 18. All right. So that's fine. What we'll do is we'll send you some documents for your parents to look at, and they just have to sign them. Basically, since you're not an adult, they have to take the prize. So hopefully, your family doesn't try to take this from you and game on it instead of you.
No, I doubt that.
All right, cool.
I doubt it.
Good. Cool, man. Well, congratulations again. I'll send you some paperwork. I'm really stoked for you. I'm glad you won it. And, man, this is just,
Okay.
it was destiny, man. So you must be doing something right.
No, thank you.
All
Thank
right.
you so much.
All right, Sergio. It's been a pleasure.
Thanks.
All right, see ya.
Bye.
Wow, Sergio's a cool cat, and I'm so incredibly glad that he was the winner. He's going to pick this blue, as you heard, and he's going to name this PC. We'll see what he names it. Maybe you can win the next Overkill Gaming PC.